एयरपोर्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है भाई, बहुत अच्छा है। नाइस नाइस। Okay guys, we are leaving to the government school. Oh, they have a pool as well. Nice. Almost everyone has a pool here. I don't know for what. Oh, bhai saab. What the car, bro? Next level. Guys, meet. This is Abby.
Hi all.
Abby is
Say them.
king in Wayanad. King from Wayanad. Let's go. Imagine having a college here.
ആകിട്ടാണ്
ഇതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്
ख़त्म हो गया सेशन। थोड़ा लेट हो गया था। आई ऑल्सो थिंक दैट आई शुड नॉट स्पीक हिंदी if I want to get some smartest people out of India, that too in South. But yeah, I probably should not wait about. See, now it's either waiting for AI or using English. So I don't know how to keep communicating at my channel, and the whole reason I wanted to do this channel was to promote vibes rather than any other language that we know of, because there is a lot to learn and there is a lot to forget when AI comes. Till then masti chalu rehni chahiye. Why hurry? You are hurrying?
No.
So why? What happened?
Nothing.
Stay chill. Me and Abby on a hill. We'll eat. I don't know what hub, but cafe and restaurant. There's a rent in there, and the best thing is, yeah, here. I'll have food and we'll go somewhere. I will show you. Dosa is here. Which dosa was this? Kadai chicken dosa. Lovely, bro. And as you all know, I love spicy. This is good spicy. This is not like very very spicy. This is good spicy. Good spicy. No place to park.
Place for parking.
We are going a festival. What is this called? Wayanad Festival.
വെള്ളിയൂർക്കാവ് ഉത്സവം.
Vallurka?
വെള്ളിയൂർക്കാവ്.
Vallurka. To the festival. Do you like rides?
Yeah.
We'll go to a ride after all the food in my stomach is digested. They're selling plants and all.
Yeah.
Let's go. Day has ended, guys. Day 2 guys. पीठ दुख रही है यार, बेड बहुत बेकार था. Now कोई अच्छे होटल में चेकिंग करते हैं जहाँ पे टुडे विल सी अ सनसेट, टुमारो विल सी अ सनराइज, उसके बाद विल लीव टू कोची. सो अच्छा बेड और लोकेशन जहाँ पे होटल अच्छा हो वहाँ पे जाके बैठते हैं. आई हैव हर्ड, आई हैव सीन एक होटल है, महंगा है पर यार कर ही लेते हैं अफोर्ड क्योंकि कब आना होता है बाहर. सो यप, सी यू गाइस. Go, sir. Welcome to Wayanad. Everyone speaks Hindi here in Taj. आपको आता है?
वो आता है
थोड़ा थोड़ा. I can't learn many languages. Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, lot of language to learn.
Oh, you know that? How
I
many
know.
languages you know?
I know धन्यवादु and नंगे उगु.
धन्यवाद है हिंदी.
धन्यवाद हिंदी, धन्यवादु कन्नड़ा.
कन्नड़ा. Then Malayalam.
You tell. You tell, I learned. Okay.
So Sujit will be here, a reservation executive.
Okay.
So just first meet them.
Raj, I already have a locket, but thank you, ma'am.
Welcome to Taj Mahal.
And we are gonna be chilling here for a while. Guys, this is super cool, bro. Like, see these. Okay, guys, the experience was awesome. Let's go to the third floor and check the panoramic view, as they say. Panoramic camera I got, right? Let's go. This is like trekking, but for like 100 meters. I mean, there was lift, so. This is the map in case you are wondering. Kannur and Calicut, same, but different. Thank God I'm 24. So I can visit this. Hello. Wow. Today's whole day is about rest and all. My whole back is paining. Today was like someone was serving me breakfast. I woke up, I couldn't walk. Literally, I couldn't walk. My one leg was so... Fuck, it was so paining. I couldn't walk. I tried to do that well apart, and then yeah, I don't know how I opened that door. I kept the breakfast and I slept again. After waking up, my back is hurting like hell. So probably not a good experience there. Definitely for sleeping, but yeah, it was good. It was cool shit. So I'm gonna sit here for a while, enjoy my maximum time. Probably, I don't like alcohol honestly, but I think I'll get some. Look at the view, man. Fuck. So there's a complimentary high tea going on. I'll go and have that. I still don't know why my room isn't ready, but it's okay. Oh wow, oh fuck. Sorry guys, I didn't see that. Did you guys see that? This is where the high tea is happening. Yo. So what we have here is somebody sandwich. This is that herbal coffee looks interesting and it's not even, it doesn't look like coffee. And all the snacks. Love you Brian Johnson. अभी तक मतलब ये ऑफ कोर्स सेकंड लास्ट सिटी है, बट अभी तक तुम्हारे सामने कितनी बार मैंने खाना खाया। और पता है बचपन से खाना खजाना वगैरह देखते थे और ये सब देखते थे, तो शेफ ऐसे करता था ना, स्वाद। समझ आ रहा है क्यों? अटेंशन से खेल रहे भाई। नहीं निकलता भाई, मगर बहुत टेस्टी है यार, ये क्या बताऊँ। बट enjoy. Yeah, I know I didn't bath today. It's okay guys, the weather is good. Probably I can go and bath right now. It's okay only. Let's fucking go. Wow, good room. All right. 2 days spent well. Let's go. Nice time. Okay. Wow. This is super beautiful. I think this is the best place in India where I found my home. Let's just say that. Just some trees. Otherwise, it's so good, bro. Today I'll have to drink, bro. Today I'll have to drink a lot just to spend my loneliness and my bitchless life. Tomorrow I'll wake up and do yoga. See sunrise. But such a beautiful life not to spend with anyone. Well, I'm having fun. It's not like that. Yeah. See you guys. Cheers. Can you give me the speaker? So we are ready to go. Check the sunrise. And yeah. Thank you. Ready to go. Our car is here. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are going by jeep because car will not go up, and we'll go up and we'll listen some songs on my speaker that I bought for that event. Yo, let's go. Already excited. Now we have to walk, guys. Yeah. Before sunset we go up. Yo guys, so this is first sunrise of my life in Wayanad. First time. Long live Earth. So now we are going waterfall. Nah, dam, right? Banaswara dam. After dam we'll go waterfall. I'll take a bath and then we'll come home, or sunset. Probably we'll come home. We are at the second largest in Asia and world. In India. Be aware of snakes and the access. Yeah. Chalo, let's go. Amrad waterfall. We came very far from Wayanad.
Why not? No. It's Tamil City. Why
Yeah.
not? It's
Very far, right? 50 kilometer.
yeah.
Less water, huh?
Yeah.
Rainy season. Can't bath. We'll sit here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Fun time I spent. होता उसकी आंखों में वो साफ सा. Which dam? Banu Sagar.
No.
Hmm?
No, the name is I don't know.
Me too. Second, India, Asia's second largest dam. Okay, guys, check out time. I'll miss this view for sure. Not like I didn't watch it much, but yeah. You need 7 days minimum if you want to go anywhere, so. Not happy, not sad, I would say. I would say I enjoyed my time. Alright. Let's go, Via.
Sir, room number?